Dustin Tibbetts with Passport to Wall Street, and today we're talking about our stock pick of the week, and we're going to change it up a little bit. So normally we talk about some technical analysis, and that's the primary reason for our trades. Well, today we're going to bring in a little news and a little fundamental analysis as well, if you will, and we're going to talk about the company Mattel. I don't know if you've heard of Mattel, but they are the makers of Barbie and Hot Wheels. They've been under a little bit of pressure, right? Because more kids are moving to an internet or a TV or a streaming type entertainment and less with the physical toys. But I think there's some good news here for Mattel, so I want to talk about this for my trade of the week. Let's pull up the charts and take a look. Here you have the daily chart of Mattel, and I'm going to just try to zoom around a little bit here for you. There we go. You can kind of see how the stock has been under pressure, meaning there's been no real significant rally there. However, for the first time now in a few months, let me just go like this. The stock is now above the 200-day moving average again, but it's also above this range. So it's been stuck in this range since about mid-July, and it's trying to poke its head above that. I think that's a positive sign for at least a temporary change in trend. So from a technical perspective, there's a couple good things going for it. As far as buying shares, it's only $16 a share. That's not too bad compared to some of the other stuff out there. So we can just invest in the shares. Now, what I'm suggesting is that we buy the stock and we take a little bit of a longer term view on this. I kind of think it's going to head back towards this 19 area from a technical perspective, and some of that has to do with the fundamental news that's wrapped around this stock right now. So Mattel has decided, they actually hired a great guy to lead this. Mattel has decided that they're going to handle their own movies and videos and short videos that they do for Barbie and Hot Wheels, meaning they're going to create cartoon series for Barbie. Hot Wheels will have its own animated thing, and they're going to try to control the content where it's delivered. If there's enough demand for that content, well, that could add decent revenues to Mattel's overall current revenue stream. So if that happens, naturally the value of the company's more, the value of the shares should be more. Well, if we start this out ahead of time before all of that starts to make its way into the media, then there's a good chance we get a nice little easy boost up to 19. I do not think it will be a quick trade. So this is a $16 stock. It does not move very much day by day, but I think if you're interested in sort of that mid-term, intermediate term investing, then maybe Mattel is interesting to you to play for a move up towards 19. So there you have it. It is a technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and a little bit of anticipating good things in the future. I hope that helps you. I hope you make a profit, and we'll talk to you soon.